Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn our passive income online. And in this video, I will be walking you through step one of you actually cloning the marketing system that I use to build my Matrix Empire business. Now, in order to make this work, you need to have a LeadsLeap account. And if you don't have a LeadsLeap account, what you want to do is on my capture page, you can click here or click there to create your free account. And I will put a link in the description of this video as well. And once you create your free account in LeadsLeap, you're going to have access to your back office, which looks like this. So the very first step is actually going ahead and creating a list. So when your prospects opt into this capture page here, you want them to end up on your list and you want to have a series of emails going out to them. So to do that, the step is to go down to email marketing and then click list manager. And once you're here, go ahead and add a new list, give it a name. So you're going to give it a name, Matrix Empire. I already have a Matrix Empire list. I'm just going to give mine Matrix, but you give it a Matrix Empire and then click add now. And once you've added now, the system will tell you what you need to do. You need to activate your list, right? So to activate your list, I'm just going to go to my Matrix Empire right here and show you how I filled it out. So you give it a name there, and you can put a logo here as well if you want. And then here you put your landing page of Matrix Empire, the one that looks like this, right? Your landing page. So once your prospects opt in and they confirm their opt-in, then they will be able to get access to your landing page here. So at this stage, you should know how to get access to this. I showed you how you can make your landing page your primary page. So it's in the previous videos above. And once you get your landing page, you put it there. And the rest here is just your personal details. So I don't want to show you my personal details, but for you, you'll put your name, your email address, and then put send code here. So LeadsLeap will send a code to your email. Check your spam, check your promotional folder, get that code and paste it here. Put your real physical address here, and then go ahead and click this to activate the list and hit save. Okay. Once you've done that, you will have created your list, which will look like this here. Okay. And if you want to as well, what you can do is you can go here to the signature design and you can create a signature. What I do is I go to template gallery. I choose this here. I click OK. Right. I click OK. I put my name here. I put my email. I put my website. I put an image here by clicking. You should have the image online somewhere. You paste it there and then you hit update. Okay, once you do that, your signature line will appear here, and then you can tick all these three here so that every time you send a welcome email, a broadcast, your email series goes out, it will have your signature at the bottom. Okay, that's something else that you can do. So what you want to do is go ahead, your sponsor will have this version of this page, so you can create an account with them. If I'm your sponsor, you can do the same, and like I said, there's going to be a link in the description. So go ahead and create a free account, come in here and create a list, and then I'll walk you through the next step in the next video. If you found value, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. There's a link reach out to me on Facebook. Otherwise, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you and have a fantastic day.